To search for items by price on Amazon, start by accessing the App Store and downloading the Amazon app. Once installed, locate and open the Amazon app. At the top, click on the search bar and enter the item you're looking for. For example, searching for sprinklers for art will yield various results with different prices. To narrow down your search by price, click on the Filters option, which is usually located below the search results. Under the suggested filters, you can select a price range, such as up to $25 or $25 to $50, and also filter by rating or deals. By applying these filters, you can refine your search results to only show items within your desired price range. This feature helps to quickly find the products you're interested in, without having to sift through numerous results.